we find that they weren't just spiritual or divine entities. They were described as real, tangible beings with distinct personalities, desires, and conflicts. Their interactions with each other, as well as with humanity, were documented in numerous Sumerian texts. Their impact was profound, shaping the trajectory of human civilization in more ways than one.
What was the process of actually putting this all together?
The tales depict them as beings who manipulated DNA, advanced architecture, mathematics, astronomy, and agriculture, implying a scientific knowledge base much broader than was available to humans at that time. But as intriguing as these stories are, they also raise many questions. Why would such an advanced civilization need help from primitive humans? Why Earth? And what does gold have to do with all of this? These questions might seem outlandish or fantastical, but when we delve deeper into the lore and the science behind these theories, we find a universe of possibilities that might just make us rethink our understanding of ancient civilizations and our place in the cosmos. Moving deeper into our exploration, we come across one of the most intriguing theories about the Anunnaki, their alleged role in the creation of humans. Now, according to various interpretations of ancient Sumerian texts, the Anunnaki did not just stumble upon humans on Earth. They played an active part in our creation. But why? As the story goes, the Anunnaki, living on a distant planet, Nibiru, with a long elliptical orbit around the sun, were facing a crisis. Their planet's atmosphere was deteriorating, and they needed a solution to save it. This is where gold comes into the picture. Gold particles were to be used in their atmosphere to repair the damage. However, mining for gold was labor-intensive and required a workforce. Unable to meet this demand with their population, the Anunnaki turned to Earth, rich in the gold they so desperately needed. But there was a problem. The work was hard, and there was no workforce readily available. So they decided to create one. Using their advanced knowledge in genetics, they allegedly manipulated the DNA of the existing hominids on Earth, gradually leading to the emergence of Homo sapiens, us. We were, as per this theory, originally designed as a race of workers created to mine gold for the Anunnaki. As outlandish as this theory may sound, proponents argue that it provides an alternative explanation for the sudden evolutionary leap that resulted in the appearance of modern humans, but it also opens up a whole new world of ethical and philosophical questions. What is the true nature of our existence? Are we more than just workers for extraterrestrial beings? If the Anunnaki created us, who created them? Taking a closer look at the narrative, we stumble upon a rather interesting aspect: the fixation on gold. Now, gold is a fascinating element. It doesn't corrode, it's malleable, and it conducts electricity. But why would a distant planet, Nibiru, need gold? According to the Anunnaki theory, Nibiru's atmosphere was in crisis. The planet's life-sustaining qualities were being compromised. It's said that the Anunnaki, known to be technologically advanced, figured out a possible solution to this problem. Their plan was to suspend particles of gold into Nibiru's atmosphere, hoping that these particles would form a protective layer, reflecting sunlight and thus restoring the balance of their atmosphere. This puts gold in a unique position. For us on Earth, it has been used as a symbol of wealth and power, but for the Anunnaki, it was apparently the key to environmental stability, the solution to a planetary crisis. It was not about luxury or status, but survival. Proponents of the theory point out that gold's unique properties make it plausible as a potential atmospheric shield. Its resistance to corrosion and ability to reflect sunlight could theoretically help restore an atmosphere, although such a process would require technology far beyond what we currently possess. It's also interesting to note that gold has been revered and sought after by almost every civilization on Earth. Some theorists argue that this universal fascination with gold might have been implanted in us by our alleged creators, the Anunnaki. And if this is true, does our continued obsession with gold suggest a lingering, subconscious connection to our supposed extraterrestrial origins? Getting deeper into the allure of gold, what makes gold so special? It's a question that piques our curiosity. After all, gold is just a shiny metal, isn't it? Well, not quite. Gold, as we've already established, is an extraordinary element. It doesn't corrode or tarnish like other metals, making it last virtually forever. It's also highly malleable and ductile, A single ounce of gold can be beaten into a sheet covering 300 square feet, or drawn out into a wire 60 miles long. From an aesthetic perspective, gold's lustrous, warm glow has been universally cherished for its beauty. Yet, its value extends far beyond its appearance. Gold is an excellent conductor of electricity and is highly resistant to most acids, making it incredibly useful in numerous industries from electronics to dentistry. In the context of the Anunnaki theory, the physical properties of gold made it an ideal candidate for repairing Nibiru's atmosphere, but gold's significance goes beyond its physical characteristics. In many ancient cultures, gold was associated with the divine or the gods, possibly due to its seemingly immortal nature and radiant shine. This raises an intriguing question. Could the cultural importance of gold be a remnant of our supposed Anunnaki creators' influence? When we look at the world today, the importance of gold remains. It backs our currencies, it's an essential component of our electronics, and it's a symbol of love and commitment in our jewelry. Is all of this a mere coincidence, or could it be a sign of a more profound cosmic connection? It's something to ponder about. In the realm of physics and chemistry, gold is an elemental superstar. It's one of the least reactive elements on the periodic table, meaning it doesn't easily combine with other elements to form compounds. This makes it resistant to tarnishing and rusting. A gold artifact buried for thousands of years will shine as if it was made yesterday. Gold's inertness is one reason it's biocompatible. It doesn't react with human tissue, making it suitable for medical uses, like fillings and implants. Gold nanoparticles are even being explored for use in cancer treatments. Its ability to reflect heat and radiation also has practical applications. We use gold foil to protect astronauts and their spacecraft from the intense radiation of space, and gold coatings are used on the windows of large buildings to reflect sunlight and keep interiors cool. Beyond the physical, gold has an undeniable psychological allure. It's been a symbol of wealth and power for millennia. In ancient cultures, gold's enduring shine led people to associate it with the divine and the eternal. This allure isn't lost on the Anunnaki theorists who proposed that the ancient Sumerians' reverence for gold was influenced by these celestial beings. They suggest that gold was not only designed for its physical properties, but also as a symbol of divine power and interstellar capability. The golden thread that ties our history, mythology, and technology together is fascinating. Whether gold's appeal comes from our alleged Anunnaki origins, or simply from the element's unique properties, one thing is clear. Gold has shaped and continues to shape our world in profound ways. The Sumerians were the creators of one of the earliest known civilizations, establishing urban development, governance systems, and one of the first written languages, cuneiform script. According to proponents of the Anunnaki theory, this advanced knowledge did not evolve independently but was given to them by these celestial beings. The Anunnaki, if we follow the theory, brought the Sumerians advanced knowledge in numerous fields. They were said to have taught them agriculture, making the Sumerians among the first to transition from a nomadic lifestyle to settled farming communities. The Sumerians' revolutionary irrigation systems, which allowed them to thrive in the harsh, arid environment of Mesopotamia, are theorized by some as Anunnaki knowledge. In addition, the Anunnaki supposedly introduced advanced architectural techniques. The ziggurats, towering stepped pyramids that dot the Mesopotamian landscape, are believed by some theorists to be evidence of this cosmic architectural education. The complexity and scale of these structures indeed suggest an advanced understanding of construction and engineering. Some theories even suggest that the Anunnaki imparted the early foundations of laws and justice, leading to the creation of the Code of Hammurabi, one of the oldest known legal codes. The complexity of this legal system, encompassing various aspects of daily life, is seen by some as a sign of Anunnaki influence. The Anunnaki are also thought to have shared advanced astronomical knowledge. The Sumerians were skilled astronomers, accurately charting celestial bodies and events. Their understanding of the cosmos was surprisingly advanced for the time, with some theorists suggesting that this knowledge was passed down from the Anunnaki. So, there you have it. The story of the Anunnaki and Planet X is a captivating blend of ancient mythology, celestial mechanics, and the quest for gold. It's a tale that asks us to reconsider our place in the universe and the very history of humanity. While it's essential to approach such theories with skepticism, they certainly provide a thrilling perspective on our ancient past. And as always, thanks for watching.